Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Welcome to TaqwaPod, where the heart finds clarity. This is episode 2 of our Hajj series. In the first episode, we talked about preparing for Hajj, spiritually and practically. But now the plane has landed. You've arrived, and everything is about to feel very real. So what should you expect when you enter the sacred land? What should be in your heart and on your tongue when your eyes first see the land of the prophets? Let's walk through that moment together. First, remember why you're here. You've been invited by Allah. Not everyone gets this invitation. Millions pray for it, but you were chosen. That alone should soften the heart. وَاللَّهُ يَدْعُو إِلَى دَارِ السَّلَامِ. And Allah invites to the home of peace. Surah Yūnus. So step off the plane with humility, not as a tourist, but as a servant. The land you are in now is drenched in dua. Every grain of sand has heard the name of Allah. Every rock has witnessed sujood. This is the land of Tawheed, of Ibrahim, of Muhammad. Take a moment and just breathe it in. You are walking where angels descended, where prophets wept, where the Quran was revealed. This is not just a location, it's a divine station. Your first sight of the Kaʿbah will be unlike anything you felt. Don't rush to take pictures, rush to tears, raise your hands. This is a moment where dua is accepted. Allahumma anta salamu wa minka salam. O Allah, you are peace and from you is all peace. Sahih Muslim. It's recommended to pause and make dua with full presence. Scholars say, at that moment, your dua is like an arrow. It does not miss. Make sincere dua for your family, for your soul, for your akhirah. This is not the time to scroll, it's the time to surrender. Expect the crowds, expect the heat, expect discomfort. But more than that, expect your patience to be tested. This is a training ground for the soul. وَجَهِدُوا فِعْلِ اللَّهِ حَقَّ جِهَادِهِ. And strive for Allah with the striving due to Him. Surah Al-Hajj. You'll see people push. You may get frustrated. Your feet may swell. But this is not a luxury trip. It's a soul-deep transformation. Hajj is one of the few acts in Islam that combines every form of worship. Salah, dhikr, sacrifice, sabr, physical effort. Sincerity, you will be tested in line, at the hotel, on the bus, in the heat. And in those moments, you'll discover how much of your Islam is theory and how much is real. A scholar once said, Hajj doesn't teach you patience. It reveals whether you have it. So, what should you do upon arrival? Start with dhikr. Stay hydrated. Don't be shy to ask for help. Stick with your group or someone more experienced. Be present, not just physically, but spiritually. Take moments to reflect. Sit by yourself. Observe the diversity of the ummah. Look at the elderly woman from Indonesia, the young man from Senegal, the family from Turkey, the revert brother from Brazil, and the group from Nigeria, all saying one thing. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Here I am, O Allah, here I am. You are not just part of a crowd. You are part of something eternal. Here is a final reflection. When you arrive in the land of revelation, remember that you are walking in the footsteps of prophets. Every step is a statement. Labbaika Allahumma labbaik. Here I am, O Allah, here I am. And with every step you're being rewritten. So slow down, reflect, reconnect, repent, renew. This land will change you if you let it. Stay tuned for episode 3, the rites of Hajj, walking the path of Ibrahim. Until next time, this is TaqwaPod, where the heart finds clarity. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.